close your eyes, but that's something in jail you just don't turn around and close your eyes. I was looking and I just saw the man had been stabbed to death, and after that, well, they took us to school after that, like it nothing.
Solutions Affiliate. This is Dr. Chip at Clearview Windshield. This means processing your insurance just got faster. And pricing agreements with most all insurance companies are pre-approved. Now, for something that's not new, we come to you, home or work, and we guarantee your
on the verge of Springfield. Wait, that's another streetcar. There's a streetcar.
Did they just hit you?
You have cars on 53rd Street going 55 miles an hour. They do not have to stop. And on 119th Street, you have cars doing 55 miles an hour as well, but they do have to stop. You know, oh my gosh! There's just been a major accident.
Caught on live TV, 2 drivers involved in a serious accident in Wichita, Kansas. The reporter is talking about the dangerous intersection when a car pulls in front of a truck going 55 miles an hour. Tonight, the driver of that red car...
Oh shit! Holy crap!
Truck just rolled over in front of me, man. Alright, later.
Oh, shit, it's fucking good.
Yeah, dude, it's all good.
I saw it about a second before it hit, and I was opening my mouth to go duck or something to that effect.
Next thing you know, there's shattering. There's kind of like a hawk with its talons just coming and scooping.
Tickets. Well, she says that when oil and gas prices go up, flight costs go up too, so we could see fewer people driving.
Spun out right behind you. Did you see that, Adrian?
I know, I didn't, but now I did, so we're gonna...
Wow.